everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm gonna help you learn how to video call on Snapchat. In order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Most of the people might not be aware about Snapchat video chat feature, though it's been around since a very long time. In order to go make that video call on Snapchat, go tap open your Snapchat application, and if you're not, first sign into your account. After you're signed into your Snapchat account, from your camera screen, go to the profile button in the upper left corner, and from your profile, go to My Friends. From your friend list, select any contact you want to make a video call with, and once you're in to the conversation screen with a friend, go and tap on the video icon at the top of the screen. If you want to make a video call, then tap on this video call icon. If you want to make an audio call without the video, simply tap on the call option. Once you do that, you'll be able to video call on Snapchat to one of your contacts. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.